Good afternoon everyone, welcome to Oriental Carpet Thailand. Today I'm going to show you how we make walls-to-wall carpet. Our walls-to-wall carpets are done by machine and we have a lot of fabric for you to choose. Normally our wall-to-wall carpet we take about 7 to 10 days to make it. Our wall-to-wall carpet can be made bespoke to your size in your choice of colors and pattern for your hotel, office, ship, home, and/or aircraft. We work on various types of wool, viscose, or acrylic on request, and will of course advise on the most appropriate fabric for your design and use. Most of our made-to-order rugs are machine-made or hand-tufted. However, depending on the design and on request, we can have your rugs hand-knotted in Pakistan and more traditional knotting style. So if you're looking for a wall-to-wall carpet for home decorations, condominium, apartment, temples, boat, aircraft, then you are on the right place. Let us help you. You can make appointment with us in any day and any time. If you are not convenient to visit in our showroom, then we will come to you with our samples of catalog to show you. You can also come visit in our showroom. We have showroom in Bangkok, Hua Hin, and Pattaya. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to call us or email us or comment in the below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe. See you in next video.